The ultimate guide to study abroad in a foreign country. When discussing study abroad, everyone talks about quality education, cultural exposure and enhanced career prospects. But no one helps on how to proceed and what will be the right approach to plan your study abroad journey. Not anymore, because this video is the ultimate guide for people like you who are planning to study abroad. Step 1. Research and goal setting. Understand what you want to achieve by studying abroad, as this will guide your choice of program and destination. Step 2. University and course selection. Research universities that offer courses you are interested in. Look into their rankings, course content, faculty and resources. Step 3. Application process. Gather all the necessary documents such as transcripts and letter of recommendations and prepare a generic statement of purpose. Step 4. Standardized exams. If required, prepare for the standardized exams such as IELTS, SAT, GRE or GMAT. These exams are often part of the application process. There are few more steps, but explaining them in 1-minute video is impossible. So pending steps are mentioned in comments.